everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Trends tab in the SleepWatch app, your key to tracking how your sleep improves over time. If you want to get the most out of your sleep data and make better choices for your rest, stick around. Here's how to access it. Open the SleepWatch app. Tap on the More tab at the bottom, select Trends, and you're all set. You can view your trends by day, week, or month, making it easy to see how your sleep is changing over time. Plus, the app highlights any anomalies so you can spot issues quickly. Now let's talk about the different sleep trends you can track. These are the metrics that give you insight into your overall sleep quality. Total sleep hours, the total amount of time you spend sleeping. Sleeping heart rate, how your heart rate behaves while you sleep. Sleeping heart rate dip, a drop in heart rate during deep sleep. This is a good sign that your body is getting into restorative rest. Sleeping HRV, heart rate variability, measures the variation in time between heartbeats. A higher HRV is generally a sign of better sleep recovery. Total restful sleep, the amount of time you spend in restorative sleep stages. Restful sleep percentage, the percentage of your sleep that's truly restful. Sleep rhythm, how consistent your sleep schedule is. Sleep disruption, the number of times you wake up during the night or experience disruptions. And if you're a premium member, you get even more advanced features like the ability to track your daily SleepWatch score and dive deeper into metrics like HRV and sleep disruption. And that's it! The Trends tab is your tool for tracking sleep progress and making data-driven improvements. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more sleep tips. Drop your questions or tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to better sleep and better days ahead.